must have been sent to save me. Cause I was looking around for a lady to call my own. Girl, when you walked in, you had me turning around like crazy. Now I know that I never knew about love until I met you. Until I met you. Until I met you. I never knew about love until I met you. Till I met you, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Selena here, and today we have a prank for Orlando. So people, you guys remember how he peppered the fruits for me? When I was sleeping, he toothpaste my face. So today I have something for him. Da 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 da. You know what this is? Firecracker. Every Jamaican know what this will be. Fire rocket. So people, I got in bed late last night. We went to bed late. He woke up about 1:30 this morning, and he wake me up, and he wake me up because he couldn't sleep. So he got up this morning about 6, and then he went back to bed. So now he is sleeping. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light the fire rocket and put it in a one pot. So I'm put it in a pot now. It will sound like gunshot can with no echo or something. So I want to see reaction. God, I pray God don't make me was bad catch frightened, then me I beg Jesus. But I gonna light it. I'll make it pop. I'll see how it act. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. Click the notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a video. Alright guys, I'm gonna take you inside the room just to show you him. Alright, so he's sleeping. I'm gonna grab the pot. Stay tuned. Alright people, so see pot here when I go use. This a pot me I go pop it up in a film. Yeah man, I go see how boy run today. So guys, I go carry him in our room over here. Right. So I go try to set up the camera right here, so see him there. You see him? Alright, so let's see if I can get up in. Properly. So people, I'm gonna put the pot on the ground and light it and run. Boy.
Selena, it wasn't on no sense. Yo, tell us that you run to the prank business and tell us at the top.
Yeah, what is it? Team Selena wicked. Why? Nobody, I'm be sure the people. People. I'm sure no. Ooh. Running ground could pop up. I will find him. Babe, say something.
Hurry yourself, man.
So people, we got him. We got him. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. It's your girl Selena. Mwah. Hey, that tell the truth. It did bad. Well, if I go look back and see your reaction, boy, run. Pop, 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 pop. Alright, guys.